Can you tell us a story behind the shirt?
Of course, yeah.
Well, go on then.
Right, we've got it.
I used to work in a nightclub, right?
What do you think, Luke?
Yes, cool.
And this nightclub was 10 o'clock at night, 2 in the morning.
Go on, shotgun!
Shotgun.
DJ. I've also got a bloke from Manchester, new manager.
Yes.
You'll come in at 9 o'clock. I thought, fair enough, first 2 weeks look late. And I got pissed up one night and I come in 10 o'clock.
Alan?
Yeah, Alan.
Go through it, guys, so don't like that. Where have you been? I've been out. Usually here at 9 o'clock. Don't do that, I'll fucking hit you.
Did he poke you that hard?
You did, but I won't be in the eye.
That's a right
Don't do that. I said, not anymore, I'll fucking hit you. Right, you're sacked. I said, right, I'm sacked, so I fucking brushed past him. Get to see these.
Louis, seeing as you're 3, would you say she was butch?
Yes.
Yes.
She was butch.
He gets the door and throw me out, so you can't match CDs. Came at 2 o'clock, went up at the shotgun, went up the doors, and fed the boys fucking brains out.
Oh, look, it's shotgun.
Left the guy up, fucking TSG against fucking wall, 18 months ago.
Where was that?
Well, give me, I'm so big.
Bangkok!
Strange ways.
Bangkok!
Oh, no.
It's the most funniest nightclub.
Is that your first time?
No, never, no. Twice in Strange Ways, third time with riots.
The carapace of a slow-moving reptile.
Once in firearms offences, once in rescue for dangerous driving, once in Kirkland driving disqualified, and once in Kirkland again for threatening behaviour, so we did 10 calls back to what we are.
Go and slap him on his head. Don't do slap head. No, slap head. Go and do slap head.
How many years have you spent in the club?
18 months later, on 3, 4 and a half, 5. Let's 6 and a half, 7 years.
Put your finger up his nose. Go on, go on. You is a funny boy.
Fair play to you. Fair play. And that's the story of the shotgun.
Do you want to get caught by it, fools?